students, today we are going to solve linear equation 2 variable exercise 3.4 question number 2. Let me read out the question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. So at first what we are going to do, let's take let 1 man finish the work in X days. Okay, so we have to first assume that 1 man have finished the whole work in X days. Then, therefore 1 man X days work equal to 1. I hope you have understood this. One man's X days work. X days work is 1. This is part of work finished by 1 man in X days. One work is totally finished in X days by only 1 person. Now we have to go for 5 men. Now, okay, the first question is 2 women and 5 men. I am going to find out part of work finished by this 5 men first. Okay, then I will go for 2 women. So I will do 1 man's 1 day work is equal to what? 1 by X then, isn't it? So therefore 5 men, I have written the plural form now. 1 day work is equal to what? 5 by X. Understood this way? Okay, first what I have done, 1 man finished the work in that X days. Therefore the 1 man X days work equal to 1. Okay, 1 work is whole day, whole work is finished. So I have assumed the whole fraction is 1. Then 1 man, 1 day work is what happened? X, 1 by X. Okay. Therefore 5 men, 1 day work is equal to 5 by X. Here it is multiplied with 1 man, 1 into 5, thereby 1 into 5 is 5 by X. This is the unitary method. I guess you understood. So similarly, L and Y, similarly again for 2 women, you can first take 1 woman. Similarly, 1 woman finish the work in Y days. Okay, that shows that 1 woman's Y days work equal to 1. Okay, 1 complete work. Then how many women? 2 women. Let me bring the in the method if you want. Then 1 woman, 1 day work is equal to 1 by Y. Okay, from here we have changed the thing for man and woman. So that is 2 women, 1 day work is equal to 2 by Y. Okay, see just how we have calculated for men. For 5 men is equal to 5x work done. So therefore for 2 women 2 by Y work is done. Okay, now we are going to frame the statement for it. So I am going to do it here. See here, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So this 4 days is what? The whole for 2 women and 5 men, they have combined themselves to finish in 4 days. So which shows that in 4 days, one woman part of work done by 5 men is 5 by X. Part of work done by 2 women is 2 by Y. And thereby they have completed together this part of man. This is the part of man in 5 days, 5 men in X days, and this is the part of 2 women in Y days. This is woman calculation, and therefore they have worked for 4 days to complete the whole work, and the fraction is 1. That means we have calculated left hand side the whole work, and in right hand side also we have calculated the whole work 1. I guess you understood how the balancing is done. Okay, so that way you can write here 5 by X plus 2 by Y equal to 1 by 4. Okay, and here the first linear equation is made. Similarly, for second, I can write directly now. Similarly, what I am going to write, 3 women. Now 3 women part of work is what? 3 women part of work is what? 3 by y, isn't it? Now you come to know, because I have already shown you the whole part how we have taken the left. So 3 women part of work is 3 by y. And 6 men, that is 6 by x. Okay. Can finish it in 3 days. So it is 3 days. That means what? They have finished the whole work in 3 days. So 3 days part of work have completed one fraction of work. I guess you are clear now. And this you also you can write 3 by y plus 6 by x equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So this is our second equation. Okay, let me solve this part. Let 1 by x equal to 3 and 1 by y is equal to q. You can take any other variable apart from x and y, because that will avoid any confusion, because if you take x and y as the left itself, it will mismatch your variables, because it is already given there, already taken as let x with the number of days worked by man and y with the number of days worked by woman. So take any other variable. Therefore, number 1 comes out to be 5 into 5 by, it was what? X. I am writing taking for you all. Okay. 5 by x plus 2 by y equal to 1 by 4. That shows that 5p plus 2q equal to 1 by 4. I hope you have understood. Since 5 by x means 5 into 1 by x, isn't it? That means what? 1 by x is going to be p. 1 by y is going to be q. 2 5 as the numerator remain as 5p. And 2 as the numerator remain as 2 into 1 by y is q. That understood? So here it is equation. I can take it 3. Similarly, in equation 2. In equation 2 what it was? 3. So 3, it will be 3q plus 6p equal to 1 by 3. It is 4. Okay. Why I have done this? Because I want to take elimination. Elimination will be the best way here. Let's see. 3 into, what I am going to do? 3 into, let's match this 3. Okay, 5 to the 15p plus 3 to the 6q equal to 3 by 4. Okay, then 4, equation 4 into 2, that will be what? Equation 4 into 2, 3 to the 6q came out 6. 6 to the 12, 12p equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so here I am doing subtraction. Because of doing subtraction, this, let me write it. Okay, let me write it overall 6p plus q minus 6q. So minus a plus a minus 12p. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay, so 6q and 6q is cancelled. Okay, 15p minus 12p equal to common is 4 to 12, 3 9, 3 4 to the 8. Okay, 1 by 12 are coming up. Then this is 3p equal to 1 by 12. So p is equal to what? 1 by 12 into 3, isn't it? 36. So p was what? What was p? My p was 1 by x. So p means 1 by x equal to 1 by 36. So therefore x is equal to 36 days. So this was what? 1 man. That means what? 1 man can alone finish the work in 36 days. Okay. 1 man can finish the work in 36 days. What about the woman? Putting the value of x in 1. 5 by 36 plus 2 by y equal to 1 by 4. That is 2 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Taking the constant on right hand side, 36. It is 9 minus 5. It is 4 by 36, and I am getting is 1 by 9. As it is 2 by y equal to 1 by 9. So y is equal to 1 by it will be what? Cross multiplication. Isn't it? Y is equal to 18. So the woman can finish the work in, one woman can finish the work in 18 days. And one man can finish the work in 36 days. I hope you have understood how the process has started by. And if you have any confusion, comment down in the comment section below.